Hello class, today we are going to start a third chapter, that is managing files and folders. Now what is file and what is folder? File is a collection of data, information and some general commands that are used with a computer program, as for example Microsoft Word file, Notepad file, any game file. Okay. Now folder is a collection of related files grouped in a common folder. Means we can store files in a folder. Fine. Now your first topic is how to create a file or folder. Now move to the area where you want to create a folder. Suppose I want to create a folder at the desktop, then right click on the blank area of desktop, then select new option, then select folder. A new folder will appear. Okay, fine. I'm repeating again. Right click on the area where you want to create a folder. Suppose I want to create a folder in drive D. Fine. Now right click on the blank area, select new option, then go to folder. Okay. Now how to, second topic is how to name a folder. How to give a name a folder, that is naming a file or folder. Now click on the file that you want to rename, right click on it, then select second last option, that is rename. Okay, type the new name. I am typing here, that is class 5. Okay, press enter, or we can say that 5 name is there already. I write class 5 diamond. Okay, clear? Now again I am repeating how to rename a folder. Right click on it, select rename option, type new name and press enter. There is a shortcut key also to rename a folder. Select the folder and press F2 key. Which key? F2 key, that is function key 2. Okay, your folder rename option will appear. Fine. Now your next topic from the book is how to delete a folder. Okay, now how to delete a folder. There are two options to delete a folder. First right click, then select third last option, that is delete. It will get deleted. Okay, now there is also another option to permanently delete the folder, that is press shift key and delete key. That folder we get permanently deleted. It will get permanently deleted from the computer. It will not stored in the recycle bin. Fine. Yes, next topic is getting back the file and folder from recycle bin. Recycle bin से हम file और folder को वापस कैसे लाएंगे? Yes, double click on the recycle bin. Select the folder that you want to restore. Right click on that folder. Select restore option. Which option? Restore. The file get restored at its original position. Here it is. Class 5 diamond folder. Fine. I am repeating again. Suppose I am going to delete this folder. Yes. Now I want to restore it. Right, double click on the recycle option, then select that folder that you want to restore. Right click on it and press restore option. Fine, the file get restored at its original position. जहाँ से delete हुई थी उसी position पे it will send that file to that location. Fine. Now your next topic is how to empty the recycle bin. It's very easy. Just right click on the recycle bin and press empty recycle bin. Yes, the recycle bin get empty. bucket खाली हो गई ना आपकी recycle bin की. Yes. Now next topic is shortcut. How to create a shortcut. Shortcut क्या है? It is an icon that provide an easy and quick way to open any application that we use frequently. Suppose we are using paint application frequently. हमें paint application use करना है और बार बार use करना होता है, हमें ढूंढना पड़ता है. But so that I want a shortcut of that application on the desktop. So search paint here. Now right click on the paint option. There is an option of send to. The second option on the send to option is desktop, create shortcut. Select this, desktop, create shortcut. Here is the shortcut of paint. Okay, keep in mind it's just a shortcut only. अगर मैं इसको delete भी करूँगा doesn't mean that the paint software will get deleted from your system. It's just a shortcut. Okay, suppose I want to delete this. मैंने delete किया. Okay, now I am going to repeat this one more time. How to create a shortcut? Click on that application that you want to make a shortcut on the desktop. Okay, that is paint. Right click on that folder or application. Select send to. There is a second option, that is desktop, create shortcut. Click on this. The desktop icon will appear. A paint icon will appear on the desktop. Fine. Here it is. The paint application. Fine. Yeah. Okay. This is all about your today's class. Okay. Fine. We will discuss some more in next class. Okay. Have a good day.